We are a part of nature, not apart from nature. In his haste to acquire space from living and business, man very often forgets that he is a part of nature. He builds houses and factories and dams without any concern from nature. He cuts down trees mercilessly and destroys nature. He does not realize that by these actions he invites his own destructions because he thinks he is apart from the nature. On a class visit at Dhantali near Gandhinagar in Gujarat, we were fortunate to see a modern press constructed in harmony with nature. This press within an area of 40 acres is India's most up-to-date printing press. But within its environs, there are more than 200 trees including fruit trees. Amazingly, there are also about 20 gulangur monkeys, hundreds of squirrels and parrots, and nearly 100 peacocks. We were amazed to see monkeys sitting on the fences or sidewalks while workers went about their work. All the workers contribute towards the grain that is brought to feed these creatures. The air here is coolest and purest we have ever come across. No sign of pollution is seen anywhere. The place also had a large garden patch with the prettiest of flowers we have ever seen. Nature is the theme at this printing press. This printing press impressed upon us the truth that man can live being a part of nature and not necessarily apart from nature. That's it for today, students. I hope you enjoyed this video. You can subscribe my channel to learn more essays from Suman's Academy.